Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to unprotect or unencrypt a Microsoft Excel document. A lot of times you'll get handed a document or you'll have encrypted a document previously that you want to take the password off of because it's just too big a hassle or it's not as important anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do that. However, you do need to know what the original password was. If you don't, then you're kind of sunk. So I'm going to show you how to take the encryption off of it if it is on the document. So I'm going to open up this workbook here, and it's asking me for password, so I'm going to put the password in. And it opens right up. To take that back off, we actually have to go through the same steps that we went through to actually put the encryption on. So we're going to go to the Office button, Prepare, and you notice that the encrypt document has a yellow box around it. So that means that the document is currently encrypted. And we're going to click on that as though we are just changing the password. But instead of putting a new password in, we're going to actually erase everything that is there and say OK. And now if we close the document, and yep, we do want to save, and open it back up, it opens right up. It doesn't even require a password. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to remove your passwords or unprotect your documents from Microsoft Excel. I'm Josiah Ray.